In 1964, he was a member of President Kennedy's relief team for Eastern Kentucky, providing medical service to 16 counties. In 1965, he was project director for a U.S. Office of Economic Opportunity healthcare program serving 12,000 people. In 1966, Harvey Sloan was a volunteer doctor in Vietnam. From 1967 to 1972, Dr. Harvey Sloan was project director for the Park Duval Neighborhood Health Center in West Louisville. In 1968, Dr. Sloan formed a citizen action group called Action for Clean Air to fight air pollution. In 1969, he was appointed to the Louisville and Jefferson County Air Pollution Control Board. In 1971, Harvey Sloan was elected president of the Kentucky Public Health Association. In 1972, he was named...
When Harvey Sloan sees that people have problems, he does something about it. He always has. That's why he's running for mayor, because the mayor is the one person who can get government to respond to the needs of people.
Outstanding young man by the Kentucky Jaycees.
Pollution problems are people problems. And when people have problems, someone ought to do something about it. In 1968, Dr. Harvey Sloan wasn't holding any government office, but he knew something had to be done. Harvey Sloan brought concerned citizens together to form an organization called Action for Clean Air, a group that fought for enforcement of pollution laws. It didn't take long for people to realize that when Harvey Sloan sees a problem, he does something about it. That's why in 1969, he was appointed to the Louisville-Jefferson County Air Pollution Control Board.
The Air Pollution Control District have done much to improve our air, but much more needs to be done. Many people are suffering because of our air pollution, and I think we can do more.
Louisville is a better place to live today because Harvey Sloan got people working together to clean up our air. Harvey Sloan gets things done.
I say when you, for the interest of a community, you have it at heart, and what's good for that community, you are in for it. And Dr. Sloan is as much for this community as we are.
Since the Park and Duval Neighborhood Health Center has come down in this area, we have really had the best emergency services that anyone could receive.
In 1967, a lot of people were saying they needed health care service close to home. Dr. Harvey Sloan did something about it. Since 1967, he brought $12 million in federal funds to Louisville and started the Park Duval Neighborhood Health Center. It wasn't easy, but Harvey Sloan provided strong leadership and effective administration. Today, the Park Duval Medical Center not only handles 100,000 patient visits a year, it deals with all kinds of community problems. When Dr. Harvey Sloan sees that people have problems, he does something about it. Harvey Sloan gets things done. Louisville is a great place to live, and the mayor is the one person who can do the most to preserve that quality. We must build a better city for the future, but keep what is best of our past. This takes strong leadership and commitment. Dr. Harvey Sloan believes that we must forge an alliance between civic pride and effective government to assure safe streets, better health care and housing, low-cost public transportation, efficient garbage collection, planned zoning, and do it without raising taxes. Harvey Sloan hasn't been a politician. He was asked to run for mayor because of his administrative experience in public service. His own decision was based on a personal commitment to Louisville and a belief in its people.
Louisville's greatness is our people. I want to develop an alliance for all the people of the city to turn a possible urban crisis into an opportunity for progress, an alliance that cares more for people than politics.